Welcome to the HR office. In this single scene, we will show the different functions of human resource management: recruitment, training, performance evaluation, and employee relations, all happening within a normal day in HR.
Sino po kailangan nila? Good afternoon po. Nandito po ba si Ma'am Rupa Villarreal? Tuloy po kayo. Good afternoon, Miss. The original daw, right?
Yes po, ma'am. Andito po ako para sa interview.
Please take a seat. Thank you, ma'am. So, Regine Naldo. Pwede mo ba ikwento kung bakit mo gusto ang posisyon and ano ang strategy mo?
Naniniwala po ako na pasok ang skills ko sa trabaho, marunong po ako sa customer service, at willing po akong matulong.
Okay, good. Ang HR ay hindi lang kumiting sa skills, kundi pati sa attitude at willingness to grow. Based on your resume and interview today, meron kang potential.
One of the main functions of HR is recruitment and selection. This process helps HR determine whether an applicant is fit for the job.
Good afternoon po, Ma'am Rupa. Ako po yung bagong hire for lead.
Perfect timing, good. Today is your orientation. I'll give you basic rules, company policies, and overview ng trabaho. Please get a Sa HR, sinisigurado namin ang bawat empleyado ay may sapat na halaman bago magsimula. Na-share training ka rin naman mamaya tungkol sa invention ng
Salamat po, Ma'am.
Huwag ka mag-alala, nandito kami para tulungan ka.
Training and development are essential to preparing new employees. Through this, their performance improves and their confidence grows.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rupa. Nandito ba si Gilbert? Kailangan natin siya for evaluation.
Yes, sir. Nandito po siya ngayon. Gilbert!
Yes, Ma'am. Pinapatawag niyo daw po.
Yes, Gilbert. Ready ka ba for yung first month evaluation?
Yes, Ma'am. Okay na ka ba na po? Pero ready.
Okay.
Gilbert, gusto namin malaman mo na naging maganda ang performance mo. Na-meet mo yung weekly quota at mabilis kang natuto sa training.
Pero may konti kang kailangan improve. Yun ay yung time management. Pero overall, we're proud of the process.
The performance evaluations allow HR to give constructive feedback to the employees. This is important for their growth and for the motivation.
Pwede po ba akong humingi ng tulong? Nahihirapan na po kasi ako sa mga workloads ko. Hindi na rin po magawa. Sige, maupo ka muna. Mahalaga sa HR ang pagkakaroon ng bukas ng motivation. Ano ba mga tasks na mabuti na edad para sa iyo?
Yung mga daily reports ko sa
Okay, I coordinate with your supervisor para maayos ang schedule mo. Importante na hindi ka ma-burn out. Gusto namin siyempre work environment.
HR acts as a bridge between management and employees. They ensure the well-being, fairness, and support of every worker. And this concludes a typical day inside the HR office. In this single scene, we have seen how human resource management works, from hiring applicants, orienting new employees, giving evaluation, to taking care of their welfare. Thank you for watching.